We went with Finch Constructions. We were approached by an electrician who did some work. We were new to the area, and he said if you're doing renovations, he said I would strongly recommend Finch's.
From the first meeting with Finch's, we trusted them, and we thought they were really professional but also very down to earth. Communication was fantastic. Everybody that we came into contact with was easy to get along with and very understanding of what we wanted. It was a really, really good experience.
They did not try to upsell us. We gave them a budget and they worked within that and advised us what we could do and what we couldn't do, which was really helpful.
The thing I love most about working with Finch's was I just completely trusted them, and I love the fact that they kept us informed of anything, even a tiny change. They were really good at letting us know when we were going to have tradesmen coming in. Communication
was really good, and Chris would quite often send us a text every Friday and map out the plan for the next week, so we knew exactly where we stood. And if anything changed, he sent us another text and let us know. The bathroom is like the bathroom of my dreams. I know we planned it with Finch's and with the people in the tile shop, but to actually see it, it's better than I expected, and we just love using that bathroom now. And the kitchen, we didn't have a full reno in the kitchen, but we had exactly what we wanted, and the kitchen is just so lovely to work in. I love the fact with the kitchen that it's now open plan, and that when me and my wife are preparing a meal, we can both work on the kitchen bench, which we couldn't do before, so it really made life a lot better. Yeah. I would definitely say go with Finch's. They may not be the cheapest, but they're so professional. You get what you ask for. We were so happy that they were recommended to us by an electrician, and we couldn't have wished for a better result. I would strongly advise anyone that wants to get renovations done, get in contact with Finch's.